Wow! Wow!
Bututut. Bututut.
Na aming sinasamba, na aming pinupuri, na aming pinaglilingkuran. At sa pagkakataon na ito, Panginoon, sa habang panahon, Lord, sa panalangin ng couple na ito, si Pastor James and Ma'am Grace Mariano, na magkaroon sila ng isang gift, a precious gift sa kanilang buhay. After many years of prayer, sinagot mo ang kanilang panalangin. Pinagkalooban niyo sila ng isang malusog, maganda na anak, Panginoon. Maraming salamat po. At dahil dito, Panginoon, nakita namin at nararamdaman namin ang presence mo, ang kapangyarihan mo, ang kadakilaan mo, na walang ibang Diyos sa langit at lupa, kundi ikaw lamang ang makapangyarihan sa lahat. Yes. Na darating yung araw, ang lahat ay luluhod, ang lahat ay sasamba, at lahat ay tatawag sa iyong Panginoon. Ngayong oras na ito, o aming Ama, sa pangalan ng Panginoong Jesucristo, kasama ng mga ninong at ninang, Panginoon, nagkakaisa kami sa puso, sa isip, at kaluluwa, Panginoon. Higit sa lahat, pananampalataya, pagtitiwala at paniniwala, Panginoon, sa iyo, aming Panginoong Jesus. Na ngayong oras na ito, binabalik namin sa iyo sa pagsamba at pagpupuri at paghahandog si Precious Janae Adelante Mariano, Panginoon. We dedicate this precious child sa iyong harapan, Panginoon. All your plans, all your promises, all your purpose sa buhay ni Janae, Panginoon, nawa mangyari at magaganap sa kanyang
because they're the one who helped me during the hospitalization of this baby. And Brother, ganun din, thank you sa pag-atid dito sa amin, this hospital, yung mami ko during that time. This celebration is not just only dedication, Pastor, but this is this Thanksgiving na sinasabi ko, thank you for your goodness, for your help. Hindi na po itong baby na to na without your help. Kasi all of you had been given sacrifice before. Kaya sinasabi nga na pagpapala ng Panginoon, this is the proof and the blessing na binigay ito. Kaya pangalan nito is Janae Precious. Yung Janae, from the Hebrew word, meaning is Janae, it is an answered prayer. So, God answered prayer, everything. So, kaya kayo, sa ninong-nandina, I don't look for your personalities, but I look what you are the answered prayer na sinagot yung prayer namin na naging katulong kayo para buuin itong bata na ito. For how many years na kami walang anak, but still a blessing, especially Pastor Leo, thank you as our pastor, as a blessing, encourager to us. And hindi lang yan naging ninong at ninang sila, but we are a partner dahil sa bata nito. This child are going to grow according to the faith. As our commitment as our parents, we're going to nurture her and to bless her. And our prayer na itong batang ito will be homegrown. So our dedication someday, kaya kinuha ko rito mag-asawa ng Vietnamese, Brother Mintran, Missionary Mintran, is because you are nearer in our mission field. So that's why, what you call this? You are nearer in our place. Kasi dito, iwan namin dito sila sa Pilipinas eh. Yun ba? But you are here in our country. So that's why I'm not Filipino already, but I am Vietnamese also in heart.
Yes.
So this is our mission. So this dedication and is a blessing for us. To God be the glory.
Day to you.